set up. We were set up by an act of parliament. So we are guided by law. If you don't work with it, you are in trouble. Okay. Now, our mandate is to give money to SMEs through fund managers. Okay. Now, and it's very, very important. I mean, I am a politician. We are in Ghana. When MPP is in power, anything government, MPP, people want to benefit from it. When NDC is in government, it is the same thing. But when President Kufuor set up venture capital, he was conscious of that. He wanted every businessman who has and businessman here means both sexes. Every businessman who have a genuine business to be able to access the money that they are giving to venture capital, no matter what your political affiliation is. It's not about politics. It's about businesses. So we do not give the money directly to, if you have a business idea, if you come to me, I can't give the money to you. Now we give the money to what we call fund managers, and they are licensed by SEC. Okay,
the Securities and Exchange Commission.
Yes, Securities and Exchange Commission. They are professionals. If he is into light manufacturing, he understands that sector. Now he comes out to say that I'm raising a fund of 50 million. Venture capital will then see them with, let's say, 10 million, 20 million. Then he goes to other investors. It could be banks, it could be insurance companies, it could be pension funds, asset managers, highly net worth individuals. Then, so he has money from about 4 investors. So I don't control what he does. Okay. And apart from the fact that, look, nobody can come to me and say, because sometimes people come to me, oh, I am NPP, okay, how can I get money from you? He doesn't have any business ideas, but how can I get money?
He just wants the money.
Okay, but the law doesn't allow me to do that. So I will refer you to the fund manager. And so it actually takes away the political interference that we usually have in some of our businesses. The second advantage is that he's taking about 10 or 20 million from me. He has to show the ability to raise additional money from private investors. I've mentioned banks, I've mentioned pension funds, so that the funds he's managing becomes bigger. So with our money from government, he's raising additional money from private investors. It becomes bigger. The private investor has an interest. So he doesn't control him. I don't control him. Because at the end of the day, he's going to be accountable to both venture capital and the other
sources of people he got his money from. But